You're fixing the car? Whose car is it? It's Papa's car?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fixing.
And you're working on it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where do the wheels go on this car? Does it have wheels on it?
Yeah.
Where'd they go?
Oh, it's a baby.
Do you need wrenches?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you have a wrench?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Okay.
Careful. You getting a wrench? Grandpa have a wrench for you?
Hello. There's your wrench.
Okay. What do you do with that wrench?
I'm fixing cars.
You fix the cars? Oh, does it need weight on it too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Careful, don't drop that on your toe or anything. Oh, you tightening the bolts? Get them nice and tight for Grandpa. You know who used to work on Grandpa's cars? Aunt Katie. You know that? Are they nice and tight now? Hmm? No? Oh, you gotta do the back ones too? Don't get all greasy. Is that nice and tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So Grandpa won't have an accident, huh? We don't want Grandpa to have any accidents, do we? Lil. You gonna fix the steering wheel too? Lily, there's no engine in this car. How's it gonna go?
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, there's no engine.